Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to sell BNB on Bybit. So to sell BNB on Bybit, you have to open the Bybit app or the website and log in. Then tap on trade on the bottom menu, then select spot trading, then select the BNB trading pair, so which is to use the search bar and type in BNB/USDT or the pair you prefer, like BNB/USDC, and select it. Then after that, for a quick sale, choose market order, then sell instantly at the current market price. Then to set your price, use the limit order, then enter the amount you want to sell. Then after that, under the sell BNB section, enter the amount of the BNB you want to sell, then double check the details and click on sell BNB, then confirm the transaction. Then after that, go to the asset to see your balance, which is in USDT or your chosen currency. And that's how to sell BNB on Bybit.